The world never stands still. It rises. It connects. It evolves. Every breakthrough, every connection, every structure shaping tomorrow starts with steel. Behind every ton of high-quality steel, there is technology, precision, innovation, and decades of expertise. At Sarralle, we design, manufacture, and install advanced solutions for the steel industry, helping producers achieve greater efficiency, higher quality, improved safety, and lower energy consumption. With a global footprint and local expertise, Sarralle supports steelmakers wherever they operate, bringing engineering excellence closer to our customers. Since 2005, Sarralle India has been a strategic part of our international growth. Our engineers transform customers' needs into detailed solutions. Every calculation, every drawing, every design decision, focused on performance, reliability, and efficiency. Then, the vision takes shape. In our manufacturing facilities, where experience, technology, and craftsmanship come together. Components become equipment, equipment becomes systems, and systems become operating facilities. Before every solution reaches the customer, it is carefully inspected, verified, tested, ensuring every detail meets the highest standards. And in our electrical workshop, automation comes to life. Panels are assembled, systems are tested, and performance is prepared for operation. From engineering and manufacturing to installation and commissioning, Sarralle India turns ambitious projects into industrial reality.